Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm John Brunner, your trusted realtor in Columbus, Ohio. In today's episode, we're going to delve into something that can make or break your real estate deal: home inspections. This isn't just about ticking a box, it's about protecting your investment and potentially saving a significant amount of money. If you find value in this video, please show your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing it with friends and family. Let's dive right in. So, why are home inspections so crucial? Imagine buying your dream home only to discover hidden issues that cost thousands of dollars to fix. This is where an inspection comes in. A professional inspector scrutinizes the property looking for anything from foundation cracks to faulty wiring. These issues aren't just expensive to repair, they can also be safety hazards. By identifying these problems early, you can avoid unexpected expenses and ensure the home is safe and sound. We'll also discuss how inspections can affect your insurance rates and property value. Let me share some real-life stories where inspections made a huge difference. Picture a family who skipped the inspection only to find severe termite damage after moving in, leading to expensive repairs. Now, contrast this with a client who, thanks to the inspection, discovered an old, leaky roof. This discovery allowed them to negotiate a lower purchase price, or perhaps seller paid closing costs, saving them a significant amount of money. These stories underscore the real value and potential savings that come with a thorough home inspection. Understanding what happens during an inspection is crucial. It's not just about looking around. Inspectors check structural elements, inspect roofing, test electrical systems, evaluate plumbing, and much more. They also assess the condition of HVAC systems and look for signs of pests or mold. We'll take a closer look at each of these elements, explaining what inspectors are looking for and why it matters. This knowledge can help you make informed decisions and even maintain your property better in the long run. An inspection report can be a powerful tool in your negotiation arsenal. Whether you're a buyer that's seeking repairs or price adjustments, or a seller preparing your home for the market, understanding how to use the report is key. We will explore strategies for negotiating after an inspection, including how to prioritize issues and communicate effectively with the other party. This section aims to equip you with the skills to leverage inspection findings to your advantage. In conclusion, a home inspection is an invaluable part of the real estate process. It not only saves you money, but also provides peace of mind. Now remember, I'm here to help guide you through every step of your real estate journey in Columbus, Ohio. If you have any questions or need expert advice, please feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to stay updated with the latest real estate tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you with your real estate needs. We'll see you in the next video.